Hello friends, welcome back again. In this video, we will try to learn about greater than or equal instruction in XINJE PLC. How we can use this command? Let's get started. First of all, we will open our XC Pro tool and here we will create a new project. Click it on new project. Old, if you like to be saved, we can click it on save. If we no like to be save, we can cancel. So which models I have? So I have a model XC242. That's I will be select. And here just first we will take the one input address LDM100 for example, which is for my execution. And next we will choose the increment command, or any we can choose the timer also or counter also, any we can choose. Let's choose the timer, no problem. TMR, give the timer number T10 and how much time you like to be set in the timer. That's we will be set, for example, K100 we will be set. That's the milliseconds, means 10 seconds. So this timer we will be compare with our instruction. So how we can get our instruction? So just type in the LD when greater than or equal our T0 with how much value we like to be compared with this timer. So K50 for example, and enter. What's this our command? Means when our timer gets 50 bits completed, that's value means 50 when completed. After our any output, internal or external memory, we need to be on or off. So we will put Y0 for example. Any you can choose internal memory, if M200, 300, 100, whatever you like to be choose, you can choose. And one more we will be choose if our T0 LD when equal with T0, for example 100 we will put, that's total value we will put 100, no problem, we can increase this one. LDT T0, no sorry, T10 we have to be this timer number also we are making the wrong. This we have to put T10 when equal with 100. Oh sorry, LD when equal our T10 with the 100 value. First have to be write the K. If we not write the K, this value will be not accept. So this is our equal command. This is our equal or greater than. Okay, and out we can write, for example, Y2 we can write. Okay, and next in one more instruction we will be choose LD when less than or equal our T10 with the 150, for example, no not 150, we can write the 20 value for example. So sorry, 20 means first I'm writing the wrong value, K20. So our output needs to be Y1 needs to be on. So that's program we will be transferred into our PLC. Cable nut is connected, so we have to be connect our cable first with our PLC and communication. Let's we check again, test. Yeah, now our PLC is connected and waits for till downloading the program. And as it's downloaded completed, here you can see our PLC is in stop mode. We have to be put into the run mode. When our PLC is into the run mode, so just when we will click it on our M100, goes to set. So this value we not increased that to T200. So let's check first. After we will be see. Our timer is now equal with 20. You can see it's our ready and for Y1 on. And when it's equal with 100, any greater than or equal with the 100, sorry K50, our Y0 needs to be on. Why not it's on? Because of we something like the make wrong. Because of we write it here T0. Here we write the T10. That's our mistake. We have to be clear first. Stop the PLC and go back, and here LD, where is the T0, we have to put the T10 and click enter again. And that's K100 why not showing? Because of this is the equal command. When it's going to up or down, not running, but its timer value will be running very high speed. Because of this is the milliseconds we are using the timer. That's so on and off just small fraction of time. Its T2 will be on and after stop. So that's also will be, I will explain you, wait for seconds and just run the PLC and make it the on timer. And now see, you can see the value is running here. Our K20 is on. As 20 values completed it will be on, and this on, but it will be just fraction of time on and after out, because of we are using the equal command. And this is we are using the greater than or equal. Because of this is the up to 50 value, how much going, that's nothing issue, but our main point is the 50 value. When our timer reaches at the 50 value, our output is on, and as this above the 50, that's nothing issue, it will be continuously on. But this less than is 20, that's running. So with one more example we will be understand how this command working. We will remove this our timer and we can use it here. Increment or counter, we can use counter and again transfer to the PLC and run the PLC, and again we will make it the M100 make it on, because it seems like our emergency button or whatever. This is 2, 3, 4, 5. It's greater than or equal with 5, our Y0 will be on. And this is less than or equal with 10, after our Y1 needs to be on. So both are now on. As we increase the value, when value reaches at the 10, after our Y2 is also on. But when its value increase than 10, this will be off, and this is also off, and this will be not off. And so I increase one more value. You can see this is our Y1 is also stop, Y2 is also stop, and this is we decided for greater than or equal. So this will be continue on. But as you give the signal at X1, this is our all will be reset. Sorry, this also wrong we will be choose. This is D0. We have to be right D10. This data we wrong write it here. This we have to be right the D10. Again transfer. And now again we will give the value. For example, one more time we will be try 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and our Y0 is on. And as reach value reach at the 10, so you can see our Y2 is on also, and Y1 is also on. And as one value will be increased, after this both will be off. And as we give the X1 signal, all system will be reset, but this one Y1 will be on, because of here is decided value will be equal with less than 10 or equal with 10, that will be on. But when above the 10 value, that will be stop. Again you can check, no problem. See, This is now value is 11, our y1 is off, and y2 is also off because of here is only just equal command we are using. So hope guys you will be understand about this one. Comparison instructions: greater than or equal, less than or equal, and are equal command how we can choose in XINJE PLC. If not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.